Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news for all you tech enthusiasts and developers out there. Google and Udacity have teamed up to offer a free certification course on the Gemini API in 2024. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about the giants behind this course. Google, as we all know, is an American multinational corporation known for its dominance in online advertising, search engine technology, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin in 1998, Google has grown to become one of the most powerful companies in the world. Sundar Pichai, the current CEO, leads both Google and its parent company, Alphabet Inc. Now about the collaboration. Google and the online education platform Udacity have partnered to create an incredible learning opportunity. This course will teach you how to use the Google Gemini API AI model and the Google AI Studio development tool. The course, titled Gemini API by Google, was unveiled on July 9th and was created in association with Google and Machine Learning at Berkeley. It takes less than 2 hours to complete. Start developing with large language models using Google AI Studio and the Gemini API. You'll learn to create applications that work with text, images, and code. The best part, this certification course is open to everyone. Yes, you heard that right, it's for everyone. Throughout the course, you'll gain valuable skills like prompt engineering, working with large language models, using the Gemini API, and mastering Google AI Studio. All you need is an intermediate level of Python knowledge to get started. Here's what you'll learn. 1. Introduction to LLMs and Gemini. Get an overview of large language models and the basics of the Google Gemini family of models. 2. Introduction to prompting in Google AI Studio. Dive into practical prompt engineering skills and test out your prompts with Gemini models. 3. Developing with the Gemini API. Learn how to use the Gemini API to interact with models using Python code. 4. Advanced applications. Build an end-to-end retrieval augmented generation workflow for document search using the Gemini API. Interested in applying? It's super easy. Just click the link in the description below to get started. So, what are you waiting for? This is a fantastic opportunity to enhance your skills and stay ahead in the tech world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on exciting courses and opportunities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.